But what happened last week when they took a shot at my hero and they tried to kill the next president of the United States? Enough was enough! And I said, let Trumpomania run wild, brother! Let Trumpomania rule again! Let Trumpomania make America great again! You know something, Trumpites? I didn't come here as Hulk Hogan, but I just had to give you a little taste. As an entertainer, I tried to stay out of politics. But after everything that's happened to our country over the past 4 years and everything that happened last weekend, I can no longer stay silent because I want the world to know that Donald Trump is a real American hero. And I'm proud to support my hero as the next president of this United States.